The 12-month median is the middle sales price from the set of properties that sold over the last 12 months. So if there were 100 sales in a suburb over the last 12 months, all those sales are sorted from lowest to highest, and then the sale price in the middle is chosen as the median. Note that it is the dollar figure of the sale price of a single property. Now that property was chosen to be in the middle of all properties by a price that sold in the last 12 months. There's an assumption here was long enough for a wide enough variety of different types of properties to sell, but that might not always be the case. Now if there were 20 properties that sold during the last 12 months, there will be two sales figures right in the middle, number 10 and number 11. So in that case, number 10 and number 11 would be averaged. And this is always the case whenever there's an even number of sales. The middle two are averaged, and that's the median. Now the 12-month median can come in handy when the typical value, which is another metric explained in this series, is unreliable or volatile. And that can happen if the suburb is small or has very few property sales, or if there is a wide variety of different types of properties in that suburb. Now, for more on that topic, see the video about the typical value, or TV for short. The 12-month median looks at a longer period to come up with its value. So in fast-moving markets that might be rising quickly, the 12-month median could be out of date. It can also be inaccurate if there has been a recent turn in the market. That sudden change might be smoothed over using a longer time frame of sales figures. So in general, the TV, the typical value, is a better figure. Another case where the 12-month median has its advantages is when you want to examine trends in price movement, especially over a longer time frame. Sometimes the TV can be too volatile. The TV for a suburb might bounce up and down from month to month, but the 12-month median is smoother because it's calculated on sales over a longer period.